Hello guys and welcome to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get Canva Pro account. First of all, open the Canva, go to canva.com. Once Canva has opened, on the left hand side, you will see something like Try Canva Pro. It has a crown icon next to it. Simply click on it and it will show you a pop-up. Just click on Start My Free Trial. Now it will show you two options. Would you like to pay yearly or monthly? The choice is up to you. After you have made your choice, click on Next. Now it will ask for your payment method. It can be credit or debit card or PayPal. Simply enter your credit card details and your credit card credentials are verified. And after everything is done, just click on Get Your Free Trial. And guys, that's how you get Canva Pro. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.